I get up and my face is like got the
Really kind of time.
okay, yeah.
Good edit.
Please edit.
So don't roll until I say roll.
Roll?
No, you come on your side.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now you can start shooting. Okay, so I'm going to do a lumbar adjustment on your back. How's your chiropractor in San Jose? Pretty good?
You. Okay.
Good. On the other side?
He's pretty good. He's in Pleasanton.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big suburb.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. Alright, let's get your lid back. Okay, so just wrap a home thing for me. What I like to do is the P to A move, or make the wedge and now use your body weight
Okay.
to make the adjustment. So the cushions for your ribs, to make sure that they're protected.
Okay.
And just keep your heels up on the table. And we're just going to kind of breathe together on this. And let the air out. You are tight. Boy, it is tight in there.
Yeah.
Been a while.
It is really tight because we just did a bunch of deep tissue work.
So the actual crackling sound is called
Gas
cavitation. It's actually CO2 gas bubbles inside the joints filling up the fluids.
Did you get that?
I got that. Was good.
What are your comments? Whoa. Awesome. My neck just farted a lot.
Okay.